Now let us talk about the next security role, that is information security analyst. Security analysts monitor, prevent and stop the attacks on private data. These digital professionals create and implement firewalls and software systems to protect the data and the network infrastructure. As the world increasingly relies on technology and digital interfaces to store and share the information, security analysts are at very high demand in the industry. Security analysts may work in the public sector as freelance consultants or for business and corporations. Now, typically, these professionals hold at least a bachelor's degree in the respective field, but however, some employers seek analysts having advanced knowledge over their educational background. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, that is the BLS, information security analysts earn a median salary of around $99,000 in the US. Again, the number is subject to change. So, what exactly does a security analyst do? We have seen about penetration tester, but what exactly a security analyst does? As the job title implies, security serves as a security analyst's primary goal. Now, these analysts aim to identify the weaknesses in network security systems, patch or respond to issues, and prevent future breaches from occurring. Now, they may use various software, including programs designed to encrypt and protect data to increase and strengthen the data of digital data. So, the basic difference between a security analyst and a penetration tester is that security analysts do not carry out proper penetration test. They may identify the flaw in the system, but again, if there is a vulnerability, they try to fix the vulnerability on their own without actually testing properly. So they may hand out the vulnerability to a penetration tester who may seek to exploit and confirm. Now, security analysts may take on a new role as they advance within the field. For example, entry-level security analysts may assume lower-level roles and IT teams, helping the new users to navigate the systems and installing new software. More experienced analysts may design and implement the entire security systems and firewalls, overseeing the teams of security and IT professionals. So, what are the skills that security analysts need? Networking, yes. Again, security analysts need expertise in diverse systems and networks. They need a broad knowledge of various elements of network systems along with how each element can impact security. Programming and scripting language, yes. A working knowledge of computer scripts like, let's say, Java, Python, C++ is the strong arm of security analysts. This knowledge allows the professionals to understand the encoded threats and write and rewrite software programs. Now, security analysts must understand the hacking process to block and prevent the cyber attacks, because ethical hacking certifications help these analysts in preparing and understanding the threats to protect the systems. Next is command and operating systems. Analysts must be able to work on all types of OS and platforms, including iOS, Windows, and Linux. Critical thinking is very important. Now, security analysts must possess strong critical thinking skills to work through complex coding and software troubleshooting issues. Communication is very important because when you are working in technology, it requires both verbal and written communication skills, and security analysts must be able to clearly explain their work to people without tech backgrounds. As I said, as I gave you the example of a CEO and or the upper management and a pen tester, a pen tester must be able to explain what exactly he or she has found out in the software. And lastly, report writing and hacking knowledge. Again, yeah, pen testers and analysts are in common. They do write reports. That is why strong written communication and hacking knowledge is also very important. So, what are the main responsibilities of analysts is to monitor the networks, to manage the software, to report. Now, analysts may compile ongoing reports about the safety of the networks they work on. These reports often document the security issues along with the measures the analysts had taken in the response. Analysts may also aid in development of the security plans for the organization. And finally, they contribute towards the research in the new trends and advances in security and information technology to stay updated on the latest software. So this is the overall role of information security analysts. I hope it was pretty clear between the pen testers and security analysts. You may say that 70% of the role is same, but again, it's just a job title. You must have a strong understanding of networks, programming and scripting, operating system, verbal and written communication, and report writing, along with desire to learn more. In the next lecture, we will talk about the role of information security auditor. Keep the momentum going. I will see you in the next lecture.